Hey everyone, Ricky here from Ricky's Tech Talk. In today's video, I want to share my first thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. We will also be taking a look at the Watch 4 Classic in a future video, so make sure to subscribe. First of all, we need to remove the lid of our box, so just lift that up. We get to see the beautiful device sat on top straight away. So let's take our device out and sit that to a side, so just take it out very gently. And you get to see the reverse and the other front screen. As with all new devices now, they don't include too much at all. So you'll get no power brick with this device. You will receive some information and you do get your SIM tool here. And you will have some paperwork, which I'm just going to get out and show. So your warranty and a quick start guide. You will also get a USB-C to USB-C cable, which I haven't got in here as this is a review unit. Taking a look down the right hand side, you will find your power button, which is your fingerprint sensor. So let's power our device on, greeted with Samsung. I just want to mention one key point here during the setup process, and that's about accessibility. However, if you would like help setting up your new device, please watch my step-by-step guide going through the setup process of this new device. There will be a link in the video description. With all Samsung devices now, they do offer accessibility settings. So by pressing the accessible figure at the bottom right hand corner, it loads you into a new menu here where you get to see loads of different options that you can change and adjust to make this device your own. The final step I just want to highlight in the setup process is around protecting your device and cleaning it and making sure you maintain it properly as it is a folding device. The final step in your setup is to click finish, and then this has completed the setup process. You are then moved into your new home screen with a beautiful butterfly design in the wallpaper. You'll get some pop-ups asking applications to give exception to access, and then you can just fold your device and then just enjoy that motion of folding. So whatever was on your large screen once unfolded will then become on your new screen, your front screen here, and again when you open it does look absolutely beautiful and you get that butterfly effect. So now let's place it down and share further details on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. So what we're going to be looking at all the time, so you have two different displays on this model. Your front display is known as your sub display from Samsung. This is a 6.2 inch full rectangle display. Its resolution is 2268 by 832 and it offers a HD plus resolution. Your main display though, however, when unfolded is a large rectangle display. It's a 7.6 inch full rectangle display, has a resolution of 2208 by 1768. This is known as a QXGA Plus display. The technology built in from Samsung is a dynamic AMOLED 2x display, and it does look really superior to most other devices you're looking at. It also boasts 16 million colours, and we'll share a lot more during my review. Whilst our device is unfolded, let's talk about that in-screen camera. So it's a 4 megapixel camera that's built inside the screen that's actually underneath the display. So it uses clever technology to blur over the camera when not in use, and it comes to life when you need to. It's 4 megapixels and it's f1.8 in aperture. Taking a look at the back of our device, you see the three cameras that make up your main camera system for this device. All three cameras are 12 megapixel in size. Your top lens is ultra wide, your middle one is wide, and your bottom lens is telephoto. Their apertures from top to bottom are f1.8, f2.2 and f2.4. They offer autofocus, OIS system, which is optical image stabilization, 2x optical and 10x digital zoom. You also have the ability to record 4K video footage at 60 frames per second. Finally, your cover camera is 10 megapixels in size, f2.2 in aperture, and this can be used to take photos and videos. Finally, just sharing some power and performance details. Its CPU is an octa-core processor with speeds at 2.8 GHz, 2.4 GHz and 1.8 GHz. The storage is 256 gigabytes. It has 12 gigabytes of RAM and it has a 4400 mAh battery. It uses the USB-C type port for charging, making sure that charging is fast, quick and reliable at all times. When it comes to pricing and availability, as you know, this device is available now to purchase through a whole range of different retailers. Here in the UK, please make sure to check out Vodafone UK, who kindly supplied this device to the channel. Just with my first look and first discussion about this device, you can see its power, you can see its potential, and why potentially it's going to be the best phone for me for creating content. I need a large device that is fully accessible and fully powered and ready to go. This Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G offers everything that I want from a device. So it'd be great to hear what your thoughts are. Make sure to leave a comment below and always give this video a like, as it does help support the channel so much. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe to Ricky's Tech Talk to stay updated with all of my latest videos. For me, Ricky, stay safe and stay well, and I will see you in my next video. If you want to see the latest videos that I have created on YouTube, click these videos here. And then, as I mentioned, make sure to subscribe if you haven't here by clicking my beautiful face.